Today at Phone to You I will be showing you how to repair Apple iPhone 16 Plus LCD. All LCDs can be purchased at our store. We have two quality available. One is the original screen. The seconded quality is Prime LCD. Today I'm using our Prime LCD. When repairing an iPhone we will use iPhone opening kit. Open to bottom screws. These are next to the charging port. Take your time once you open the screws, as there are two flexes, one of the LCD flex and one is the sensor flex. Don't rush, just open slowly. Once you open you see two connections, one for the LCD and one for the sensor. They both have a metal plate on and one screw each. Remove the screws, remove the metal plates. Disconnect the sensor flex and LCD flex. Don't throw the old LCD. They have a sensor flex, you can see they have a metal plate and one screw on. You just remove the screw and the metal plate. Remove the sensor flex from the old LCD, put on the new LCD. Do you know sensor flex? You have to reuse it. This one. You can see the old screen. They have a one screw in the matte small metal plate. Remove the screw and remove the metal. Then very gently and softly remove the flex from the old LCD and put the flex on the new LCD with the metal plate on and put this screw back on. Once you're done, connect the LCD and sensor flex to the phone. Turn on the iPhone, check the touch and LCD is working. Put the screen on the frame, check the each corner the screen fit properly and put the two screw back on the bottom, one next to the charging port. Thanks for watching my video.